PWPS, PQR, WPS, WQR, N15085. Introduction. Welding is the backbone of modern industry. But how do we ensure strong, reliable welds? That's where international welding standards come in. From ASME to ISO, AWS to API, different codes define how we qualify welding procedures and welders. Let's explore how PWPS, PQR, WPS, and WQR fit into these standards. PWPS. In N15085, a PWPS is created to define welding parameters before railway component qualification. It ensures the welding process meets fatigue resistance and safety requirements for railway structures. The final WPS is approved after rigorous testing and verification. PQR. In N15085, the PQR ensures that welding procedures for railway components meet fatigue resistance and mechanical strength requirements. It includes test results for impact toughness, tensile strength, and hardness measurements. A PQR is mandatory before issuing a final WPS for railway applications. WPS. N15085 mandates a WPS for railway welding applications to ensure compliance with fatigue resistance and safety standards. It defines welding parameters and joint design while considering railway-specific stress conditions. Only approved WPSs can be used for rail vehicle manufacturing and repair. WQR. N15085 mandates a welder qualification test to ensure competency in railway welding applications. The test verifies the welder's ability to produce fatigue-resistant and high-strength welds. A valid WQR is necessary for welding on railway structures and components. Welding training. Proper training is key. Welders, weld supervisor and welding engineer must be certified to ensure quality work under different codes. Code-specific training and certification. Skill enhancement through practical workshops. Validations include theoretical and practical tests. Welding consultancy. Need expert welding solutions? We provide WPS/PQR management, training, audits, and compliance support. WPS/PQR/WQR documentation management. On-site and remote welding training and consultancy. Annual compliance and certification support. Welding coordinator contract. Comprehensive service summary. We provide welding qualification services, welding training, and welding consultancy through Aaron Solution Provider. Our expertise ensures compliance, process optimization, and quality improvement for seamless certification and operational excellence.